A very good morning to all. This is Miss Ba from KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today's topic is commercial banks from second unit. So already we have discussed about the financial institutions which provides finance to small scale industries. Today we are going to see commercial banks. It is also like a financial institutions that provide services such as accepting deposits, making business loans and offering basic investment products. Okay, so the general role of commercial bank is to provide financial services to general public and business and companies, and also ensuring economic and sustainable growth of the economy. Okay, so as usual, commercial bank is also like a bank. So we all know bank provides some services, that is accepting deposits and providing loans and offering some basic investment products. Like that, commercial banks also play an important role in small scale industries. In the beginning, commercial banks doesn't show interest to provide finance to small scale industries. So later only they start to provide finance to small scale industries. And commercial banks accept various types of deposits from the public, especially from its clients. For example, the deposits may be saving account deposits, recurring deposits and fixed deposits, and these deposits are returned whenever the customer demands it or after a certain time period. Now, so commercial banks provide loans and advances of various forms, including overdraft facility, cash credit, bill discounting, money at call, etc. So overdraft facility means even though an account holder account reaches to zero, he may get cash from the bank. That is overdraft facility. So cash credit is a loan is granted in the month of January. The amount is rupees 10 lakhs. Okay, but we are going to take the particular amount in a period of intervals. For example, if we are taking an amount in January, only 5 lakhs means we are going to pay an interest for the 5 lakhs only. Then second one is again we are going to take an amount in the month of March, then we are going to pay the particular amount for an interest. Okay, so this is cash credit. And the next one is commercial banks provide 100% credit for worthwhile projects. In earlier days, commercial banks did not provide finance to small scale industries. After 1969, they started to provide finance to small scale industries. The last one is entrepreneurs can avail the loans for the establishment of new units or for the existing units. It may be an expansion, modernization and renovation. Now, these are the functions of commercial banks. So, first function is it provides 50% credit to small scale industries to purchase machines. Second one is it grants loan in the form of overdraft, cash credit, etc. Third one is it provide finance to technical entrepreneurs. The maximum amount is rupees 5 lakhs. And then fourth one is provide working capital loan for the Khadi and village industries, but the interest rate is above 4% of the bank normal interest rate. The next one is it provide working capital loans and term loans to tiny sectors. The interest rate is 9.5% for the backward area entrepreneurs and 11% for the other entrepreneurs. Now it provides finance to traders, so the maximum amount is 50,000, and it also provides finance to self-employed persons and professionals to meet short-term financial needs. And then so before granting loans, commercial banks appraise the project proposals as to feasibilities, that is financial feasibility, second one is technical feasibility, third one is economic feasibility, and fourth one is managerial competence. So these feasibilities can be discussed in third unit in separate topics. Okay, thank you.